we actually had to create a technology, a time machine as we called it, to be able to put loads of sensors in there. And we developed with the Fraunhofer IGD in Frankfurt the first device that you could walk around an archaeological site like the Roman Forum, and you would point at a column and it knew where you were from GPS. It had the accelerometer and it had the sensors in there to be able to understand what you were pointing at. And I met up with an incredible gentleman, a professor from UCLA, who had the ridiculous idea to spend lots of money from donators who I don't think realized what he was up to. But he was a humanities professor, and he just wanted to build a model of the whole of ancient Rome. And he started, and in the end we partnered together. It became a project called Rome Reborn. It was launched in 2007, and it was the largest historic model ever built. And it used technologies from all around the world to also test new processing technologies, for example, from Intel. We worked with NVIDIA. In the end, Google put the project on Google Earth. It was the first historic monument to go on Google Earth. And it always went back to the same thing, which is, as a technologist, I asked myself, what are we trying to resolve? Why are we doing this? And actually, the Professor Bernie Fischer, who was the guy that began the project in Rome Reborn, he wanted to use it as a teaching tool, but just for his students. And in the end, with Google, it went out to over 100 million people as a layer that you could fly over, see the ancient Rome in that time.